You were taught to be strong and steady, but that's not what she needs to feel emotional safety. And that is where most relationships start to fall apart. Imagine knowing how to handle conflict without it turning into an explosion. Imagine her wanting to open up to you again, physically and mentally, because she feels seen, not fixed. Imagine having peace and laughter in your home again because she feels safe, heard, and understood. That is the power of masculine clarity and leadership in relationships. And that's what the Relationship Harmony Blueprint gives to you. Hi, I'm Fiona Ellis, relationship coach, shamanic NLP mentor, and guide for high performing, freedom loving, self aware men who refuse to settle for average relationships. For over 15 years, I've helped men decode girl brain, understand what women really want, and rebuild connection and intimacy that feels natural and rivals their first honeymoon period. I can help you understand women because I am one. Not just tell you what textbooks think that she wants, but genuine strategies from learned and lived experience for myself and for my clients. The Relationship Harmony Blueprint is a simple, practical framework to help you understand what she's actually communicating behind the words, to lead with confidence and calm instead of reaction and chaos and confusion, and to rebuild safety, respect, and attraction without losing your masculine edge. Here's how it works. You've got to understand polarity, understand why she tests and how to stop it, how to top up the balance of your trust bank, which has probably been eroded by now, how to decode her subtle body signals to know what she's saying and not saying, how to keep the spark alive with real practical hacks, how to calmly navigate and diffuse conflict rather than walking on eggshells every day. You'll also get the bonus, the quick fix reset for those who are really already on the rocks, the conscious conversation method, and the option to add the instant intimacy practice, which is based in a lot of neuroscience and tantra principles, somatic principles, and so much more as well. So secure your copy today. Below, just pop your details in. It's only $17 and it's already helped multiple men save their relationships, their masculinity, and their sanity. Learn how to lead with love, with clarity and calm, and then just watch everything else fall into place. Whether you're getting it right the first time and you're just deciding whether or not you're going to commit for the rest of your life, or whether you are halting the drama, whether the chaos has already descended in your home, you need to make it stop, or even the happy wife, happy life, you've got to remember that when she is calm, she is a reflection of your safety. And it can be saved. Even if she's already walking away, it is possible to save that relationship when the masculine creates safety again. That's why you go first. Now, real talk, I can't promise you'll stay together. That depends on factors like your effort, past hurts, and of course, her choice. But what I can promise you is that you'll get access to the exact system, psychological frameworks, love strategies that helped so many couples rebuild. Foundations of safety, trust, and deep intimacy again. Your results will vary, but the tools are proven. So if you're tired of the drama roller coaster, ready to get the cheat codes for love, click the link below, get instant access to the blueprint today. Get the Relationship Harmony Blueprint today so that you can finally start experiencing real love, intimacy, and peace again.